Hey everyone, welcome to Bushcraft Trials. I'm Thor, and it's been a long time. You know what they say, all work no play makes Thor a dull boy. So I thought it'd be time to get out again and show you my new stuff. I've gotten a few things, birthday presents actually, so see what we can do with that. And on my way down to a lake, which is where I came from right now. We're going back there, don't worry. I saw this, and maybe it would be something to try out the new gear and make something useful out of. Let's see what we can do with it. And that is also new. 5.5 months old, Bedlington Terrier, our puppy. Yeah, she's the new Bushcraft puppy. Alright, so let's see what we can make out of this. Alright, new gear. New gear. I actually got a gift certificate, and I bought some things by that from Natil company in Sweden. And of course I got the Milva 2000. Brilliant knife, real sharp. I needed a new knife. I needed a real knife. I only had the construction people kind, so Milva 2000, see how that works. And I got a Baco Laplander foldable saw, and that is what I'm going to use right now. Still there? Didn't count on that falling down. Well, let's set up again. That worked really great. Actually, I'm going to show you how good it worked. So like that. Yeah, that's good. It worked really cool, really fast, and really neat, really sharp. Like that. Oh! See that? Really nice saw. Foldable Baco Laplander. Made in Sweden. Good stuff. I'm really happy with this. Macy, come. Come. Oh. Hey. And again, so the foldable saw worked brilliantly. A little safety button. Press it down, pull it out, it clicks into place. Can't move it again. Press that, fold it. Real nice. Really easy to use. Real sharp. Real sharp, yeah. Yeah, I'm happy with this. Alright, so walking stick. Alright, Milva 2000. See how it's going. And my dog loves to chew sticks. Of course, he's chewing my walking stick. Well, let's see if we can make something out of this. Well, For one, this is very sharp. Brilliantly sharpened. Yeah. And see if I can get these knots out. Yeah. See if we can make something out of this. Alright, well, let me just show you where we're at. Maybe with that image while I'm tending to my walking stick. Alright, so this is just a short walk from the road. You come down here, and it's too bad really because there's a lot of people that come down here a lot, so garbage, 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 garbage. Even nej, kom. Yeah, my dog chews on everything else out here. No, it's garbage and not natural material. That stuff sucks. Well, anyway, can't believe this. Look at that. I'm guessing that's been in the lake. Someone dragged it out. Disgusting. Anyway, it's quite a beautiful lake. Too bad people are messing it up. Well, I'll talk to you later when I've gotten a while on my walking stick. Alright, update. It's a pretty nice piece of wood. It's really saturated right now with water, so it's kind of heavy, but as it dries up, it's going to get lighter, of course. Just got the handle done. I'm gonna everything I do here is well, actually this part I'm gonna use sandpaper and get real smooth and nice. Just rounded the top off. Nej. Just rounded the top off, got a handle. I'm gonna start my dog likes sticks, as I said. I'm just start getting the knots off. I don't know if I'm going to strip the bark or if I'm going to do a pattern or what I'm going to do, so I think we're just going to have to see. Alright, talk to you in a bit. So this is what I'm doing so far. I got the top rounded off, I got the handle, I got actually the bottom rounded off too, but that's only to stop it from, flaking off when you use it. And I thought I'd do some ornaments, so I just cut like this. I actually started cutting. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you might be able to see it right there. You see these like just tracks. I did that all the way around to the bottom. Yeah, you can see it right there. And then I just did like this, just like that, cut to the end, and then boom. So that's the result. And I thought that would be pretty nice. See how it ends up. Alright, going home. Thanks for watching today, guys. Or guys and gals, sorry. Hopefully. Pretty nice. I'm pretty satisfied with my walking staff. It's not finished, but I've got some ways on it. Thought this spiral up here was pretty cool. And a nice handle. And it's a pretty sturdy thing, you know? So, it's nice, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching today. This is Bushcraft Trials. I'm Thor. Take care. Go out into nature. See you next time. Bye. By the way, you'll probably see this walking stick in another video, so if it didn't show enough this time, let me just show you quick. Boom, boom, long one, because I'm a tall guy. I'm pretty happy with this. Alright, see you out in the woods.